Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be doing a review on a beauty sponge. I was actually finishing a makeup look on this and I have to do a review on this, so I figured, I pause and do this review first since I'm going to be using the beauty blender. So I might as well show you guys the process and then tell you guys what I think about it. And I just want to let you know that I would appreciate it if you subscribe, click that button, click that notification button so you can know when I do upload. I do a lot of review, a lot of makeup tutorials, and I'm going to be uploading some outfit ideas, so just go ahead and click so you can get my notification. And if you want to see this eye makeup look, just stay tuned or go through my videos and I'm sure you're gonna find it there. But without blabbing, I'm just gonna go ahead and introduce this baby right here. So yeah, I'm gonna be reviewing this beauty sponge today. It's called the Pro Beauty Sponge and it's from Baby Beauty Forever Young. Ooh. So it is a 3-set beauty sponge. One says is used for blending. The middle one, which is the smallest one, is used for concealing. And then the third one, which is the black bigger one, is used for contour. So I got this package. I really actually like the package. It's plasticky. It's plastic, but I really love the package. I think it's so cute. I found this brand on eBay. The others I've been buying from eBay are pretty much garbage until I met the love of my life. I got sent a package from Profusion Palette, and the package came with this beauty blender, and the first time I laid my hands on it, I fell in love. And every time I've been using this blender, I've just been in love. Like I'm in heaven. I was like, I can't use this forever, so I need to purchase another beauty blender. So I came across this one on eBay. It looks really nice. It looks thick and as foamy as my old beauty blender was, and that was the reason why I got it. And I also thought the packaging was so cute. So it came like this on the mail, of course, in a UPS plastic bag. So I got this like this, and in the back it has the brand name Baby Beauty Forever Young, and it says is the only blending sponge application tool for powder, cream, liquid makeup you will ever need. This makeup sponge provides a flawless, edgeless application to help you look your best every day. Okay. So I like how it has it in English, Spanish, and French. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. This is the black one. It feels kind of foamy, but has a little heftiness to it. And then this really tiny one, I probably wouldn't use this because I don't know. I think this is to get the really inner portions of your, crease and everything. But I'm probably not gonna use that. But I think that's cute and thoughtful. And then this is the purple one, or lavender. It's like an oval shape, and this part is kind of straight. This other side is slanted, so I'm guessing this is like for your highlight and contour, and then you can use this part for your foundation and everything else. I like how it comes in 3. Oh, I didn't tell you guys the price. So I got this on eBay for like about $6, so I think that's a great deal. This beauty sponge from Profusion Cosmetic was $5 for just one of it. So when I saw this one that comes in 3 for $6, I thought that was a steal. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some concealer under my eyes to highlight and contour, and then I'm gonna use this beauty blender and we're gonna see if it's actually a good deal or not. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wet this, because you want to wet your beauty blender when you use it. This beauty blender, when I put water on it, it feels so soft and bouncy, and it gets bigger, and that's what the description says is gonna happen to this. But work. Let's go ahead and blend. It's so strong, it's not soft. Please, I don't want to be disappointed. I do not want to be disappointed. Okay, so for this side, I'm gonna use this beauty blender. Look at how soft it is, but this is so hard. Oh my god, this is so soft. Look at this. Look at how magical this is. Look at this. It's so magical and easy to blend, and doesn't take the products away. But that one is so hard. What the hell? Let's talk real quick. So this beauty blender, look at this, and look at my beauty blender, and look at this, just to show you the difference. I've been using this for weeks. Like, this beauty blender is a hot mess. It's a hot mess. Don't waste your money. This is so hard. Like, anyway, this is it for this review. Yeah, the beauty blender is a mess. I'm probably gonna go back to Profusion Cosmetic and get me another beauty blender, because this beauty blender is a big disappointment. But yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I just did a quick tutorial. This is it for this video. Yeah, thank you, bye, see you next time, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Bye.